Goko ne Kwanikwo podcast. SHA Scandle. Scandle ino ethini wa SHA ne gutiga andu aingi kana gwikia andu aingi nja. Remember, Scandle ino yokite ikanika regime ino na maundu maria regime ino ireka na nikonania kwina corruption ekuo nene muno thini wa regime ino. The big question is, mutongoria wa bururi ni egufuta Aden Duale ta minister wa health. Ni ekumufuta kwena scandal ici ciothe na scandal ici cirekika Aden Duale minister ni egufutwo. The answer is no. Niki ategufutwo? Ni nguka kumucokeria na uthutha. Now, sheno ni kwetu ni exposito muno. Kwena thibitari staruta wira, ugakora thibitari yamukirite mamilioni ma mbia. Kwena thibitari imwe ndona guku ni ta ya Ndoro iraregistrwo mieri iraregistrwo na SHA ngayakirwo mieri ta igana na mithiru ta dispensary iraregistrwo na SHA mieri itathirite ikayo mamilioni ma mbia. Munene kana chairman wa SHA etagwo Dr. Abdi Mohamed. Kwena thibitari wa Renard kwena tukatira exraged thibitari uyu watumirwo milioni 66. Thibitari wa Wajia watumirwo milioni 66. Aden Duale ni okite naga protect chairman uyu wa SHA Abdi Mohamed. Adu mokori eterere niki aramu protect, niki aramu gitira. Reke tuthie imwe kwa imwe ndimonia thibitari iria ciamukirite mamilioni ma mbia. Reke twambie na thibitari uyu. Thibitari uyu oi we uretwo Tumticha Medical Care. Na mugira thibitari uyu uri ohuana ni ta wa Ndoro. Gifao kiria gikitwo kiandikitwo na ta guoko. Mundu aripotete go the SHA Shame Series Part 3. Dear Kenyans, can you imagine that Manyata pictured below, known as Tumticha Medical Centre, received 1.5 million in a record of 4 weeks from SHA? Can you? Interestingly, the Manyata was established in January and by March it got SHA approval. Thibitari atawakirwo kana kwa establishwa keju enta wako January na ati March SHA ni au approvile na thibitari ni Kamanyata. Surprisingly, most major hospitals which cover emergencies, deliveries, and hundreds of patients on daily dialysis with over 100 bed capacity and laboratories have been denied funds. But this one got 1.5 million just months after establishment. How did the Ministry of Health, MOH, give this Manyata license to operate as a hospital? Ladies and gentlemen, SHA is the cash cow for this administration and its cronies. Thibitari cio nimwona wa Tumticha ni thibitari wakitwo ni tabito cirugamitio uguo. 1.5 million established January, by March we approved na thaici mambitie kwamukira mamilioni ma mbia. Reke tuthigwe thibitari uyu ungi. Thibitari uyu ungi kuna thibitari uretwo Psychovic Healthcare. Igwe uhoro uyu wa Psychovic Healthcare. This hospital in the picture below, called Psychovic Healthcare Services in Kwani, Mount Elgon, received over 3 million in June from SHA. It's also received additional 2 million in April. Where you horror? This is just a level 2 hospital, and the facility itself is only the first 2 rooms, door on the left. The doors on the right are shops. Mona bishonde mwekele hau. Ati thibitari yu mirango iri ni no imwe no yu mwena uyu ungi ni kiria ni duka. This is just level 2 hospital, and the facility itself is only first 2 rooms, doors on the left and doors on the right are shops. It received more money than Bondo County Teaching and Referral Hospital. Thibitarĩ wamũkĩire mbeca nyingĩ gũkĩra Bondo County Teaching and Referral Hospital, thibitarĩ iria main. Toguo tu, rekei ndĩmũthomere thibitarĩ ĩngĩ haha ũũ. Thibitarĩ ĩno nayo ĩretwo atĩa? Kwĩna thibitarĩ ĩno ĩretwo Njira, Nyandiwa Health Center. Nyandiwa Health Sector nayo kũratuĩka ũũ. SHA had paid Kenya shillings 19.9 million to this Nyandiwa Health Center in August. Ati thibitarĩ ũyũ wa Nyandiwa Health Center SHA yekerire 19.9 million. Na utare thini wa kana utare Nyandiwa Health Center ino West Kakamega Ward ndĩrutaga wĩra, geti yayo ĩmemereirwo ni Manyeki. It's not working, it's not functional. Ketũthiĩ haha hangĩ, ladies and gentlemen. Haya, Nene Hospital Scandle no nĩ thibitarĩ mũnene na aya maribotete makauga Nene Hospital in Wajir has received 66 million from SHA Health Authority SHA. The facility is owned by the current chairman of SHA, Dr. Abdi Mohamed. Uguo nĩguo kũratuĩka. Nake Aden Duale oka aria auga Social Health Authority SHA chairman Abdi Mohamed used to own Nene Hospital. There is no conflict of interest. Oka agatetera mũndũ ũyũ. Now, the big question is, Aden Duale thĩinĩ wa ministry ĩrĩa ahetwo ina scandal ya SHA, bia nĩcironekana nĩ gũthiĩ cithiĩte, citatũmĩka ũrĩa gũbatiĩ. Kwĩna list nene mũno ya mathibitarĩ maumĩte ũrĩa marakoretwo makĩamũkĩra bia. The big question is, Aden Duale nĩ egũikio nja nĩ mũtongoria wa bũrũri. Marutire NHIF ĩrĩa yarĩ functional wega piũ, makĩhũthĩra it was more than 100 billion kũrehe SHA ĩno. Rĩu ona i maũndũ marĩa ĩreka. Now, mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩ ekweheria Aden Duale, ndangĩmweheria. You see, the main problem with this government, yarehire politician thĩinĩ wa ministries. Hingo ũkũrehe politicians thĩinĩ wa ministries, wĩra ndũngĩrutĩka ũrĩa ũbatiĩ. Scandal nĩguo cigũkorwo cinyingĩ. Okay? Kinara ndangĩeheria Aden Duale. Gĩtũmi nĩkĩ? Nĩ arabatara kura cia Northeastern Kenya kana na kũrĩa Wajir, Wajir na kũguo Mandera, Patisho, Garissa, nĩ arabatara kura cia Somalis. Na kura ici cikũrehwo no Aden Duale. Ahutia Aden Duale kura icio, kwĩna ũtekiku mũnene nĩ gũthiĩ cigũthiĩ. But the same thing, this guy nĩ atũmĩte Kinara ningĩ ate popularity. What will he do? Andũ ake nĩo maramũgũithia. Egwĩka atĩa? Egatagatĩ ga barabara. Arigwo atĩrĩrĩ, what will I do? Akenya rĩu nĩ magĩte trust nake. The moment wahutia health sector, no wahutia harĩa horu. Education sector nayo no wahutie harĩa horu. Regime eno ĩgwĩtetera atĩa na evidence ĩkuo gũkũ online. Regime eno ĩkwĩruta atĩa haha. The moment you bring politician, marogamĩre matuĩka ma CS, that's when you do a blunder. Let me give you an example. Hingo ya regime ya Uhuru, thĩinĩ wa ministries, Uhuru ndaheire politician ministries. Let me give you an example. The minister of ICT, Ali Musharu. Musharu was not a politician. Matiang'i go ayo ministry, he was not a politician. He performed well. Okay? Magwani heto ministry, he performed. No dali politician. Sasa ni Kariuki. The same. Ogira igo ya Uhuru, ministry ciothe kana party nene ya ministries ndiaheirwo politician, yaheirwo andũ aya matoĩkaine but they did good. But when you bring politicians, neguo keduge weto wishi wogegerekaga. Now who will be sacrificed because of this sharp thing? That's a big question. Who will be sacrificed? Woku neko podcast. Wanimanyi mleko inyu munate. Thank you kwa matine mwalime. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you kwa matine amaradhime. Thank you guys.